Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Reed and I am a student at Renton Technical College, and this is a quick demo of a web page that I'm building for CSI 291 ASP.NET programming. The website I have planned is for a popular drawing program called Drawpile, which allows users to connect with each other over the internet with a desktop application and draw collaboratively. What this website will allow them to do is register online for an account and then have a listing server to connect to so that they can have a validated login to a Drawpile server. The reason why that's a big deal is there's not currently a good way to do that right now. Usernames and passwords have to be entered by hand by the administrator, and if you want to bypass that, since it is sort of bothersome, you can create a public unauthenticated session, but then you have unauthenticated users can come in and pose as other users and generally be trolls. So I would like to try and help and remedy that. Another feature of this website will be the ability to schedule a private session if you don't want a publicly available session, you just want it to be you and your friends or your colleagues. You'll be able to do that. This is pretty bare bones at the moment. It's using Bootstrap and the simple business Bootstrap template from startbootstrap.com. There's still, as you can see, a fair bit of lorem ipsum here, but I have changed the titles and added some images. Right now there is an about, a services, which there are no services yet, so that is blank, and a register. This register validates with JavaScript. And shows you what you entered. And if you don't enter something, it shows you a JavaScript alert telling you the name of the field in which you did not enter data. It's not connected to anything at the moment, but ultimately it will be connected to a SQL Server database to store users. Part of this assignment was to download a JavaScript plugin to do something useful on the web page. I am not masking anything yet, so I haven't implemented this into my web page, but I did download a jQuery plugin for input masking, which is incredibly useful. What that means is if someone wants to enter a phone number or a zip code or something where we know it needs to be in a certain format, input masking makes it so that they can't do anything but input it in at least the correct format. It can still be wrong, they can still type in the wrong information, but it will always be in the correct format. Again, this is a jQuery plugin, so not straight JavaScript, but jQuery is a JavaScript library to make writing JavaScript functions much easier. So you can see, you might think input masking is fairly simple, but you could be mistaken, because that is some fairly complicated code to do input masking. Up here at the top we can see his definitions for different maskings, his placeholder character, and then our actual masking functions. This was a plugin written by Josh Bush. You can find it at digitalbush.com. And thank you so much for watching. This website is not live yet, if you're stumbling onto this and want to see it. This is currently the only format you will be able to see it in. Hopefully someday in the relatively near future, this will be live on the internet. and you'll be able to come and visit it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.